Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert arrows in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Shape. Here you can find something like arrows. We have here different types of arrows which we can insert to our presentation. So for example, I will say here right arrow, and now I need to draw it somewhere here. Maybe I will insert it to the left side of the mark. And after that you can change the dimensions of this arrow. Everything depends on your preferences. You can modify the size of this arrow. Yeah, for example, I will insert it somewhere here with this size. And if you want, you can edit this arrow by clicking the right mouse button on it, and you can go to Format Options. Then you'll be able to modify the size and rotation, position, text fitting, drop shadow, reflection, or alt text. But if you want to modify, for example, color of this arrow, you need to click on this one option. It is fill color. And then, for example, I will select here red. Then the color of the arrow will be changed to red. And if I want to modify the border color, I can click here. And for example, I will select here yellow color. And how you see, the color of the border and the color of the fill has been successfully changed. So in this way you can easily add arrows and edit them in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.